Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to get a replacement phone from SafeLink Wireless, lost, broken or warranty steps. Lost or stolen SafeLink phones should be reported immediately by calling 1-800-723-3546 to suspend service and arrange a replacement. While accidental damage is not covered, broken phones can be replaced through the SafeLink Upgrades portal. Defective devices are covered under a 1-year warranty, which requires troubleshooting with support before mailing the phone for a replacement. First, lost or stolen phones. Suspend service. Text lost to 611 from another phone or log into the official SafeLink online portal to temporarily suspend your line. Contact support. Call the customer care line at 1-800-723-3546. Pay fee. You may be required to pay a replacement fee depending on your account history. Alternative option. You can purchase a cheap replacement or use SafeLink's Bring Your Own Phone BYOP program using a compatible unlocked device and a new SafeLink SIM card. Broken or accidentally damaged phones. First, verify damage. SafeLink does not cover physical damage caused by the user, such as cracked screens, water damage, or severe drops. Verify damage. Confirm the issues are due to physical accidents rather than an internal system error. Request upgrade. Access the SafeLink upgrade portals to buy a discounted replacement smartphone. Swap SIM. If your old SIM card is still functional, you can insert it into an unlocked compatible phone. Warranty claims. SafeLink provides a 1-year limited warranty on all new or reconditioned phones, starting from your activation date. This covers manufacturing defects and internal hardware failures that occur during normal usage. Troubleshoot device. Call SafeLink customer service at 1-800-378-1684 from a different phone to perform basic system troubleshooting. Obtain RMA. If support deems the hardware defective, they will issue a return merchandise authorization number. Ship phone. Mail your broken phone back to the designated SafeLink Wireless Service Center. Receive device. SafeLink will ship a repaired or reconditioned replacement device within a few days to a couple of weeks. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.